Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic that is computer and electronic device. I have taught you this lesson, but today we are going to do the revision of the topic that is computer and electronic device. Okay, what is a computer, by the way? What is a computer? Computer is a machine. Yes or no? You have learned in the standard first. What is a computer? Computer is a machine. What is machine now? What is machine? See, the definition of machine. A machine is a thing, device that help us to do our work easily. You want to do your work easily and quickly. Quickly means fast. So, machine is a device that help us to do our work easily and quickly. Now see, for example, what are the machines? The fan. Then afterwards, what next? You can tell that is washing machine. Then afterwards, what are the example that is machine? That is the anything which works on electricity. That is a machine. No? Now see, fan. It works on electricity, so it's a machine. Then afterwards, refrigerator. Then afterwards, washing machine, mixer. Mixer is a machine. No? Now I want to grind something for easy and quick. So you will get no. So it's a machine. Mixer is also a machine. And best example, what is a machine? Computer is also a machine. Got it? Computer is a machine. Okay, when electricity is there, then only the computer will work. No? It works on a machine. So what it is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Why we speak electronic the word? Because electronic means it works on electricity. So we called as an electronic machine. Okay. Why electronic machine? Because it works on electricity. It works on electricity. So it is known as computer is an electronic machine. Electronic machine means it works on electricity. So it is known as electronic machine. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. And what you do on a computer? We do different types of work. Yes or no? You can do calculation, you want to paint, then afterwards you want to draw something, you want to listen music, you can do on the computer. Yes or no? It can do many different types of work. Okay? It can do many different types of work. Okay? What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Electronic spelling now. E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C. Electronic machine. What is the spelling of machine? M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Got it? And electronic? E-L-E-C-T-R-O-E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C. Electronic machine. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. And what you can do on a computer? You can do different types of works on a computer. Yes or no? So we can do different types of works on a computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. And what is a machine? Machine is a thing, device that help us to do our work easy. You want to do it easy and quickly. So machine, it help us to do your work. Okay. Then afterwards you have seen the difference between the computer and the human beings. Yes or no? Now today we will look again to the topic. We can recall the topic, that is recall means last video I have told now. Again we are doing this. Okay, computer and a man differentiate we are going to study. What is a computer? Computer works on electricity, by the way. First one, computer works very fast. Yes or no? Computer works very fast. It works very fast. I want the calculation 2 plus 2. The computer will give the answer in few seconds. That is immediately we will get the answer. But you want to do the big calculation like 24 plus 24. So we take little time. No? But computer gives in quick time. So computer works very fast. and can do many jobs at same times. Now you want to do calculation, you can do calculation at one time. You want to listen music, you can listen music at a time. But a computer can do multiple jobs at same times. Okay, you want to search in Google, you can search in Google also. You want to see cartoons, you can see cartoons also. Okay, then you want to listen music, you can listen. You want to play games, you can play games in computer. Yes or no? Then first one point, computer works very fast, and a man cannot work that fast. A man cannot work that fast, and also can't do many jobs at the same time. Man cannot work that fast. It cannot work so fast, na? Yes or no? But computer, it works very fast. Man also but computer works very fast. It gives the calculation, it gives the time, it gives immediately. But man, it takes little time. Yes or no? Now I want to do some calculation. You will do now. You will add something. But computer, it will give directly the answer. Got it? And man, it also can't do any jobs at the same times. Now at the same time, I want to dance also and I want to write also. You can do the same tasks? No, you can't do. You can dance and you can't write at the same time. Yes or no? This is the difference between the computer and a man. Okay. The first point, computer works on electricity, and first point, that is computer works very fast, but a man cannot work that fast. A man cannot work that fast. Got it? A computer cannot think. A computer cannot think and take decision. A computer cannot think and take decision. Now they can't think, no? They don't have thinking this one. They can't take the decision. Man can think and can take the decision. Now see, you want to go to washroom. You have the decision power that you want to go now. You want to ride. So we can take the permission. We have that power. We can take the decision. But computer, it does not. When I am giving something to a computer, then only the computer will do. Yes or no? But man, you have your this one power of thinking. So we can think and we can take our decision. But computer cannot think. Okay? A computer cannot think and cannot take decision. But man can think and also can take decision. Got it? Then afterwards, next point. Computer never make mistake. Computer never make mistake. Now to do calculation, computer will give you proper answer. But man, you can make mistake. Yes or no? You can make mistakes in maths. You're doing in maths, no? Especially example, I'm taking the 5 plus 5. Little bit you will do something wrong. No? We make mistake, but computer will give you a perfect answer. But a man is not perfect. He can make mistake. We are a person, man. We make mistake every time. No? Yes or no? Little bit. But computer will give you a proper answer. But computer never make mistake. But man is not perfect. He can make mistake. But the next point, computer does not have emotion. Computer does not have emotion. Computer cry or what? Computer laugh or what? No. Emotion means what? Laughing, then crying. These are the emotions of ourselves. We have that emotion. Now I have given you the appreciation. So what you will do? You will smile. Okay? But computer, I will tell, wow, computer, you have done great job. That computer will laugh or what? No. It does not have an emotion. Whether I will shout to a computer will cry or what? No, computer does not have a emotion. But whenever I will shout at you, you will cry, na? Yes or no? Means we are having emotion. We have sadness, then happiness, joyfulness in ourselves. Yes or no? We have emotions. But computer does not have an emotion. Got it? First point, what was the point? Computer works very fast. Man, it works, but it takes little time. Okay? a man cannot work that fast. Okay, then afterwards, second point, what it was, a computer can think and take decision. Computer cannot think. A computer cannot think and take decision, but man can think and can take decision. Okay, we can take decision, na? But computer, now computer want to go outside and roam. He can go and roam or what? No. But I want to go outside. I want to go anywhere. We have the decision. We can go. Yes or no? So same as man can think and can take decision. But next one, what was the point? Computer never make mistake. Computer never make mistake. A man is not perfect. Yes or no? We make mistake na little bit. Every time we make mistakes, so man is not perfect, but computer never make mistake. He gives the answers, he gives everything correct. Okay, but whatever we ask, he give correct the answer. But computer does not have emotion. Computer does not have emotion. Okay, he cry or what? No, we cry. Anything I will scold you, you will cry. Anything I will tell you, oh great, you have done a good job, so you will give a great smile to me, na? Yes or no? Whereas man can give, but computer, I told you, computer, you have done very good job. Then computer will laugh or what? No, it does not have an emotion. Man, it has an emotion, that is sorrow, sadness, and happiness, joyfulness. This we have. But this is a topic that is a differentiate between computer and man. Okay, today what we have learned, that is what is machine, what is a computer, and computer versus man. Got it? And these are the question which I am going to give. What is first one, that is the question number 1 that you are going to do for the practice. What is a computer? Okay, what is a computer, by the way? Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine and can do many different types of work. Okay, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. First question, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Second question, then what is a machine? What is a machine? What is a machine, by the way? Machine is a thing. Machine is a thing, device that help us to do our work. A machine is a thing. A machine is a thing, device that help us to do our work easily and quickly. Work easily and quickly. Got it? And third one, you are going to differentiate between computer and man. Got it? This is a homework for you all. That is the topic, what is a computer, what is a machine, and differentiate computer versus man. Computer versus man, I have told. What is the first one? Computer works very fast. A man cannot work that fast. Okay, then afterwards, computer cannot think, man can think. Computer never make mistake. A man is not perfect. Okay, computer does not have emotion. Man has emotion, that is joyness, joyfulness, sorrowness, sadness, happiness. We have the emotion. Yes or no? Computer does not have emotion. This is the topic. First one, what is a machine, what is a computer, and what you are going to give the differentiate between the computer versus man. Got it? In this chapter, that is computer and electronic device. And these are the questions. First one, it is what is computer, what is a machine, and difference between computer and man. This topic you are going to do, these 3 questions you are going to do the homework. Okay, you have understood? I think so. That is what is machine, computer, computer versus man. Okay, thank you.